Um, Initially, when I heard about Google certification, I didn't have enough idea regarding how it is going to be, what all content will be there, how we are going to deal it with it during the exam. So, I had discussion with my friend Sheetal, and it was Sheetal who, she suggested that you and your team is dealing with this. um, First, to be frank, I had some apprehensions regarding, okay, whether we need to go for this, how far this is going to be. Like any layman, I had my apprehensions regarding this, whether this is going to be really useful, practical. Then after joining this, I realized I would have really missed something great, you know. So I'm so happy that I joined for this course, and there are it's really hard to find people or certified trainers or experts um, who train educators with Google tools. It's really hard. So, big thank you for you and your team for initiating such a program for educators to, make them more tech savvy, to make them more equipped with the Google tools. So throughout the course, I felt, it was like really a good approach, a patient approach, a friendly approach from you and Vinodini ma'am. All the doubts you and Vinodini ma'am were clearing it so patiently, without any, without, you were like very free. You were very approachable. So that's really commendable. And after going through this course, I have become more confident to utilize the Google tools. There is a lot of concept clarification. Like daily basis, we might have been using some of the tools like Gmail or YouTube or such stuff, but the intricacies we learned once we joined the course. So really, really thank you for initiating such a course for educators in systematic way, in an organized way, with notes, with classroom work updated regularly. These videos, these are very, very helpful. And really, I had fun throughout also, knowing about the other educators throughout the course. And through this course, these online tools, what I've understood is these tools are going to make the students more confident, and these tools makes learning or education more student centric. The students are going to use these tools along with the teachers, some of the tools, and we are becoming real facilitators for them. So a lot I have learned throughout this journey, and thanks for everything.